Hello everybody, back to my channel Petcue. I'm gonna try my best to make the chicken on the oven. First chicken is still frozen. It's frozen in some areas, but I'm gonna put in the microwave for a little bit to defrost. So this is my first time doing this on my own because I need to really learn how to cook things. So I had to bring this along. Just try to really, let's see, time defrost. About, let's do 10 seconds. Defrost for a little bit. Go ahead, defrost for a little bit more because it's not done defrosting. So I'm gonna try to really do this by myself. So I kind of want to like a grilled chicken sandwich really for tonight. So I just want to get this done. My mom's gonna guide me and help me out because she knows that I don't really cook that much. Just cutting it up.
Yeah.
So easy to defrost.
To defrost.
Just trying to get it open up a little bit so it's easier to defrost.
To defrost and to cook.
Okay.
You can cook them like they are now.
Yeah. And are the two defrosted?
Not really, but
Maybe a little bit more.
yeah.
Probably put them on a plate to defrost it.
Yeah, give me a big plate.
I'm gonna put them on a plate. I think that'd be better. Trying to really defrost it. I'm learning. So I just
This is frozen really bad.
yeah. I'm learning, Mom. See, it happens, right?
Yeah. Okay. Let's put that in the plate.
Okay. Here we go.
Let me see what other part is. This.
Where it needs to be defrosted a little bit more. Some of them are.
This one.
Okay, just those two.
Yeah.
Okay, put that a little bit more to defrost. Salt and pepper. Okay. Need black pepper and salt. And that's all I think we need for to make a good chicken. Is it right?
Yeah.
Get those out. Okay, now
Now, let's get the big pan.
get in a big pan out. Now let's chicken.
You can use the knife and see. Don't get your
Hands too dirty.
yeah.
It still needs to be more
This is
good, but that.
yeah for this one. This is the one that needs a little bit.
Okay, so about time
Put
before
1
minute.
yeah.
Put that for a minute. Getting everything all situated around here. My mom's just helping me out, teaching me because I'm trying to learn. So when I move out and be on my own, I know what I
He'd be calling his brother.
no. If I learn how to cook, I could do it on my own, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check on it. Measure. Can you put the knife in the middle? See if it's
Yeah.
getting the salt and pepper on the chicken.
Just a little bit.
Okay, so just gotta do a little bit, not too much. Like that. Is that good? Is that too much?
That's a little too much.
Okay, can you, before I put the salt on. That is a little bit.
Here comes the chef.
Here comes my brother.
Tell you what you're doing is wrong.
Yeah.
And then a little bit of salt. Move it around. And let me do the other
Don't
side.
be afraid to use the salt. The pepper you should be more careful with, but
I'll do some now.
salt is it helps bring out flavors.
Okay.
Put it down. Open the space for the other chicken.
Open space for the other chicken. Okay. Move that around a little bit. Going to let it get low. Yeah, I'm gonna do the mashed potatoes.
Only for him. I don't want any.
Okay, I can do enough for me. Anyway.
You want some?
Yeah, I do
What
some.
do you want in bread? I mean,
Can I not eat it with the sandwich?
yeah.
So do mashed potatoes as well. And this is getting help learning. It's crazy, but it's coming along. Don't need these anymore.
So put it back where they're good.
Put these back up here. Now, do I need to just go ahead and cover them?
If you want.
Go ahead and cover this up. Right over here.
What do we have in here?
Okay,
We have
got this
another
pot.
chicken.
I'm gonna put it in the back. Okay, follow the instructions of this. And be careful here. Let's see, alrighty. So it's just for me and my brother. Okay, so half of the.
Okay.
Okay.
What did the instructions? Read here.
Yes.
Serving for 2 people.
For me and Clint. So I need 1 quart pan. So that's
That
one.
would be fine.
that'd be fine over there.
The water, the
Salt,
salt, the butter,
butter,
the
milk,
milk,
and
how many of the
Potatoes. So let's figure this out. First is the water. I'm just gonna put it on the heel. Try not to get too much.
No, you have to go by the measure.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Not
You don't
to-
cook like your brother that he can just eye
Let's
it and know what
see.
to do.
2. Okay, that's too much. Well,
How much
it says I need 2/3.
Okay, so what?
It wasn't 2/3. It's like a cup.
Okay, so what you need to do is put it number 1 and see how your hand is not level.
Mm-hmm.
Put it in the counter
Right here.
and make sure.
Yeah, that's what I did. I checked it and it's not.
Okay.
So I pour.
Pour a little bit. And sometimes when you do the mashed potatoes in box, it doesn't matter if you have a little bit
Extra.
extra water.
Okay, trying to do it exactly. Okay, that is better
Okay.
than 4.
If it's just a little bit.
Yeah, it was just a little bit extra. So pour this. Okay, need to turn it on first of all, right?
Yeah, and then
So
you can
put it on 7.
well, if
Or
you
8.
warm it up, you can start high and then reduce.
Put it on 8 first
Yeah, and then you can lower it as you go.
as I go. Okay, next. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So should I just let the water get boiled first before I?
Well, you can put the salt in the butter.
Okay, start putting the the
Right.
milk. Okay, I got this.
You need help when you're cooking too many things at the same time.
I know. So I'm trying to do that. Okay, so got that done. Next is the
It's a
butter.
oil or butter.
butter. I need a tablespoon of butter. So okay, so the whole thing
Put
basically.
the whole thing in there.
So I'm just gonna put the whole thing. Open this up real quick. Be careful. Put this whole thing of butter. There we go. Done. Butter's done. Now I need to put a. Okay, need to put a 1/3 cup of milk. Okay. I don't know if I need to grab the other one, but
No, I think you have it in there.
is this like a half, 1/3?
Just measure it.
Okay.
There'll be down there. Oh, you know what you could do?
Hmm.
Okay,
Just put.
put it.
Keep going.
That's not 1/3.
That's
That
okay.
one. That's too much for 1/3.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know.
1/3. See how?
Oh, yeah.
See where 1/3 is? 1/3 is right down there.
Okay. I did too much. Sorry, I'm learning. Too much going on. Okay.
When you cook, you have to pay attention to everything.
Excuse me, pardon me. I think these need to be flipped. Once again. Keep flipping them from time to time. Do that.
Okay.
Deal.
Come on. Cover that.
Okay, close up. Give me the milk and potato mixed.
Put it there.
And let's put this in there.
And
Here's
then
this.
you get that out of there.
Sorry, I'm burning too much.
I told you, at first you cannot do everything together.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, now,
Mix it up.
stir it and see if you need more liquid.
Let's see if it needs any more liquid. Maybe a little bit more, probably water. Be good. A little bit more water. Okay, stir this up. Trying to be careful. Getting this all situated. Okay.
Is it look soft?
Yeah, it's soft. What do you think? To me,
Let
it's
me
soft.
see.
But I just wanted to see what you think.
Get one other butter.
Get another butter.
Yeah.
Okay. This out. Okay. Put a little bit more of the butter. Now this back. Ooh, it's crispy. This is my first time learning, and I'm not doing a good job so far.
You cannot handle two.
I cannot learn how to do two things at the same time. I'm trying to keep on the chicken and get this all done. It's just too much.
Not too much. It's just because you never have cooked.
No. It's a learning experience, mother. Very much. Does it taste, or does it need more?
No more salt.
Okay. Is the chicken done?
I have to cut a big part open and double check.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This may need a little bit more.
Yeah.
I mean, it's white on the inside.
Is that supposed to be?
It's supposed to be black on the inside.
No.
Yeah, that part you just cut looks like it might need more.
The chicken's almost done. The potatoes done. Just waiting for the chicken to cook a little bit more.
What is this? Oh,
that-
this is the old one.
The old
I
chicken.
eat it. Yeah.
You can have that one. We're taking chicken on the chicken. See how it's doing. Think. What's I need like a knife to make sure it's. What's the other?
No, just leave it. Oh,
It looks like it's. You get a fork. Looks done.
almost.
Right. It's getting done. It's not
Yeah,
done.
don't
done.
put the top on top.
Okay, just let it
So it will
cook.
get more
Cook.
cooked.
Yeah. Let's let that. Let's just do. Let it cook. On this one, I was saying flip all the way around. Yeah, let's put this. Never mind. Okay.
I think it's almost.
It's almost done. begin to try a little piece and see. Put it on the plate, cut this up. Let's see, taste it, do a little taste test.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Let's see how this looks done. Yeah, well, it says it's good. Now I'm going to get a plate and make me a chicken sandwich. So I just need the buns. Need the buns. And I'm just going to use the Chick-fil-A honey mustard. And I think that'll be it. Okay. Nice. Yeah, I'm going to also do some pickles. Kind of do like a Chick-fil-A kind of sandwich. Maybe crazy, but I mean, just want to do this because I've been thinking about it for a while. To have like a grilled chicken sandwich. The time to make the grilled chicken sandwich. Let's do this. Okay. Get it done. One bun. This. Okay. Now, time to get some chicken. Grilled chicken. And here, let's do. Might be too big of a piece, but I think I'm just gonna cut it up and put this piece, cut it up a little bit more, not too much. Thinking cut this off because I don't need that much. Okay, got my chicken. And I'm going to actually, since I'm doing like a Chick-fil-A sandwich, I'm going to open the pickles. Get the pickle on the bottom. That's what they have at Chick-fil-A. Kind of a little bit different. Okay, pickles. Now. This there. It's time for the honey mustard on top. There we go. Time to get some mashed potatoes. Getting some mashed potatoes. Maybe a weird food combination, but it's fine. Okay. Got my potatoes. I need a little bit of salt. And it's time to give it a taste test. Time to do a taste test. I'm gonna do the mashed potatoes first. Mix this up a little bit. See how this turns out. Yeah, that turned out great. Now time to try the grilled chicken sandwich that I made. Yeah, very delicious. They did a very good job on cooking. I may have a little bit of difficulty trying to really cook all this stuff, but I'm learning, and this is what I want to really try to do, learn how to cook different things, and just to know how to do them, because when I'm on my own, I can really learn how to cook these type of things and other different stuff. So yeah, I'm just really trying my best to not to stress out, get it done, try to really cook multiple things at the same time. It's difficult, but I'm getting it done. So yeah, so if you like these type of videos of me learning how to cook different things, let me know in the comments down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell, and be who you are. Bye.